Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing your Excel files and opening Tableau. Connect to the first workbook with Microsoft Excel, then drag the primary sheet onto the data canvas. Make sure column names and types are consistent across files so joins or unions behave predictably. Once the first sheet is visible, check a few rows and correct any mismatched data types. This initial check prevents downstream headaches and speeds the combine process by ensuring Tableau recognizes keys and fields correctly. Once your first connection is ready, decide between union and join. If files share the same schema, same columns, use a union. Click the drop-down, choose union, or drag additional sheets beneath to auto-union. If files represent different tables, perform joins. Drag a second sheet and define the join clause by matching key fields, choosing inner, left, right, or outer as needed. Always preview the resulting table, inspect row counts and sample values, and correct keys or types to ensure accurate merges. Finish by cleaning the merged data. Rename fields, create calculated fields, and run the data interpreter if Excel formatting caused issues. Then choose to extract for performance or publish the data source to Tableau server for sharing, setting refresh schedules as required. If something breaks, troubleshoot by checking header consistency, data types, unexpected nulls, and key uniqueness. These are the most common causes. Make adjustments in Excel or within Tableau and rerun the union or join until the combined dataset looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.